Right, sir. So we came up the fourth level. OBIEE 11G practitioner level is the first level. OBIEE 11G learner level is the second level. Specialist level is the third level, and this is advanced level. Okay, this concentration is mainly new features. Even in the while you are telling the OBIEE 11G itself, some of the new features are covered. But in this one, something which is advanced new features we are going to cover. What exactly we are going to cover is what is the meaning of parent-child hierarchy? Okay, how to handle in 11G, and also 10G. This feature is not available, right? Then how we were used to handle that one. Next, unbalanced hierarchy. What is its meaning, and how to handle this one? How to handle 10G also. Time series function, period rolling. Actually, even though I given here this period rolling here is normal course only, it is covering time series functions. I am covering that one. Ego function, two-rate function, period rolling function. It's covering in the specialist level normally. Next, action links. Action links is the one thing which I didn't cover in regular courses. Those things are useful to navigate to get stock price, navigate to other reports, something like this. These are things we are going to discuss. Master detail reports, KPIs, KPI watch list, scorecards. These are the things what we are going to develop, and develop a report using hierarchies. And what is the advantage of conditions? This is general concepts only. These two concepts are general concepts. Deployment, whatever work we did, that work how we can deploy it, and whatever work we did, how to migrate that one. That is OBIEE 10G to OBIEE 11G, how to do the migration, one version to another version, how you can migrate it. Right. As part of this one, today our concentration is first we'll go with the parent-child hierarchy and unbalanced hierarchy. These two things are part of your hierarchy chapter only. If you go and see your hierarchy chapter, we divide hierarchies into three types: level-based hierarchy, parent-child hierarchy, unbalanced hierarchy. In our regular course, practitioner level, we discuss level-based hierarchy. We know what is that, right? And what is the advantage of that one also we know. It is useful to drill down, drill up, drill across, to develop the level-based measures, to decide the aggregate navigation, to create the time series measures. These all advantages are available. Now, what is this parent-child hierarchy we need to understand, and what is the advantage also we need to understand. If you go and see bottom, parent-child hierarchy. Some data sets contain parent-child hierarchies. Some data sets means what, sir? It is something to do with the data, values. That is the reason the brackets also are given value-based hierarchy. So if you define the level-based hierarchy, I am defining as one-to-many relationship among what, sir? Columns. This is not among columns, among the data. I mean to say, if you say hierarchy is defined in the data rather than the column relationship. Typically used for organizations, team-based hierarchy. For example, team-based hierarchy means what, sir? Let's take your organization. In your organization, first level may be CEO level. Then you may have senior vice president. Then maybe their vice president. Then assistant vice president, senior director, assistant director, senior manager. Like this, it will come to the team member, right? Now tell me, in employee table, if I take e-name column, employee name column, these all guys names will be available one below another or not, sir? Yes, these all values are available in a single column. My name is available in the same column. My superior name also available in the same column. My subordinate name also available in the same column. Okay, that means all the employees in the organization available in a single column, that is called as employee name column. Now, if you closely observe the employee name column values, let us say my designation is senior manager. Under me, a number of managers may be available. That means my name is mapped with n number of manager values, right? At the same time, my manager also mapped with n number of team leads. At the same time, my team lead also mapped with n number of team members. Team member is the lowest level one. At the same time, myself, even though I am a senior manager, I may be one child for the director. I am one child for the direct. Direct contains what, sir? N number of senior managers is contains. So I am a child. So if you observe this data if you observe closely, one-to-many relationship is available among values, correct or not? One-to-many relationship available among values which are available within a single column. If that kind of relationship is available, then it is called as parent-child hierarchy or value-based hierarchy. This parent-child hierarchy fit in only one scenario. Parent-child hierarchy fit only one scenario. That scenario is employee dimension. That's it. Parent-child hierarchy occurs in only one scenario. That scenario is what, sir? Employee dimension. In employee dimension only, in employee name column only, we have the one-to-many relationship among values. Apart from this one, can you give any example? A column which contains one-to-many relationships, sir? Suppose if you take regular product type contains what's the only product type? Yes or no? If I take country is only available. India, US, if you take India is not a child of US is not a child of India. Yes or no, sir? This kind of one-to-many relationship among values within a single column is not possible in formal hierarchies. This kind of scenario occurs only one scenario, that is team-based hierarchy. Team-based hierarchy means what, sir? Employee dimension. Team-based hierarchy is nothing but employee dimension. Right. This is a new feature in OBIEE 11G. In this team-based hierarchy or parent-child hierarchy, we have only two levels. One is parent-child hierarchy will be having only two levels. One is what, sir? Total level. Second is what, sir? Detail level. Whereas in case of level-based hierarchy, there is no limit. As per our requirement, you can create n number of things. In our regular case only, we created 5 levels, right? And if you go for the live, you may have 10 levels also. But most of the times, your requirement will be fit between 2 to 10 levels. So most of the hierarchies will be like that only. Don't expect like 30 levels or 40 levels like that in one single dimension, okay? Right. In this one, parent-child hierarchy, we have only two levels. One is called as total level. Second is called as detail level. One is called as total level. Second is called as detail level. Am I clear the point? Okay. Next. This parent-child hierarchy, if you go and try to implement practically, I have actually supplied to data is available, right? We are using the practitioner level, learner level, specialist level. We used to use supply to data. Unfortunately, or fortunately, supply to data I created before OBIEE 11G product is released. That is actually created for the OBIEE 10G explanation purpose. At that moment, this parent-child hierarchy is not available, right? So I created the dimensional modeling in such a way I didn't consider this concept. Okay, that is the reason using that data you cannot implement parent-child hierarchy. Why? Because in my regular supply to data, if you take, there is no employee table. Do I have employee table in that one? There is no employee table. That is the reason implementing this one with supply to is not possible. Actually, if you take the OBIEE 11G Oracle documentation, that guy used to explain the OBIEE 11G product by taking help of BI sample schema. Even the Google also can get. If you type the OBIEE 11G documentation, we'll get the some kind of documentation from the Oracle guy, but we'll get with the example servers are based on BI sample we'll get. To explain this parent-child hierarchy and unbalanced hierarchy, as my supply to has no data of the employee table, I would like to use BI sample. Can I use like that? Yes. Now, to use that one, I am trying to open base level RPD that is called as, let us say, this was the RPD I am using. B183 NF ABC ARP08 level based hierarchy. This RPD already available in our Google Drive. I developed that one up to dimensional hierarchies. That is first 8 chapters. Physical layer, BMM layer, presentation layer, testing, next adding multiple sources, calculations, level based. These all things I completed. And I kept that RPD in our regular folders that is called as in regular folders it is available. Like we are using ABC after 0 dimensional hierarchy is for what's a learner level RPD. This one we are using. This one we are using for what's a specialist level. Reports underscore dashboards are using for what's a learner level. Similarly, this RPD you need to use for the new features. For each level, I used to give one RPD. On that RPD only we are trying to implement everything. These all RPDs are available. These all RPDs are available where, sir? In our Google Drive it is available. If you want that location, I can show that location also. If you go for your Google Chrome, you people already knows reports underscore dashboards RPD where it is available, right? In the same location it is available. Right, lab copy. Then we have lab data. Then RPDs are available, right? Inside this RPDs only reports underscore dashboards, ABC08, next NFABC is NFABC is the one what I am using it. This is the one which are going to use learner level. This is the one we are going to use in specialist level. This is the one we are going to use in advanced level. So in the practitioner level from scratch to end we are developing. Next levels are using whatever work previously we did, that work only we are using. On top of it we are trying to implement. Yes or no, sir? Right. Now same RPD I copied into repository folder, I renamed and I opened in the offline mode. Am I clear? Now, if you go and see, do you know how to create these hierarchies or not, sir? Do you know how to create these aliases or not, sir? Totally overall, this RPD, can you develop it or not? If I give it some time, can you develop this RPD or not, sir? On top of this one, we are trying to implement now parent-child hierarchy. Am I clear? Okay, as of now, navigation is very simple. As of now, our understanding is parent-child hierarchy is a new feature in OBIEE 11G. That is the first point. Second point is parent-child hierarchy is defined as one-to-many relationship among values within a column. Third point, parent-child hierarchy is fit or is applicable only for the employee dimension or team-based hierarchy. Fourth point, parent-child hierarchy contains only 2 levels. One is called as total level, second is called as detail level. These are the 4 points. What is your understanding? And fifth point is, we are going to use not our regular supply to data. We are going to use base sample data to explain this better. Am I clear? Right. For that I am using this RPD I am using as input. On top of this one I am trying to implement this parent-child hierarchy. Am I clear? Right. Let us go and try to follow your documentation whatever available. Sorry. You can see that is not a big deal. Parent-child hierarchy. Okay, also called as value-based hierarchy. One-to-many relationship among data is called as parent-child hierarchy. This kind of hierarchy is required for employee or team-based hierarchies. Next, in parent-child hierarchy, we have only 2 levels. One is called as total, second is called as detail. Process, setting the environment. From RRA lab copy folder, lab copy 13 lab data RPDs, copy this RPD into OBIEE 11G repository folder. Open the RPD in offline mode. Next one, step 2, import and creating the physical joins. For this example, we are trying to import 3 tables. One is called as SAMP employee D_VH, SAMP employee parent-child mapping, SAMP employee position_D. These are the 3 tables what we are trying to import. Am I clear? Yes. Online folks, please try to import someone who want to do it quickly.
Who want to do it quickly?
Hello, you people are there? Yes. Okay, yes, I given control. These are the three tables what I want to import it. Please do it. Please do it. Import it. I gave control, madam. Right. This is what the RPD, whatever available already I've opened. Now we need to import those three tables. Right click on the connection pool. Import metadata. Then if it is throwing any error, there is a problem of the user, I can say. I think this much of time it is executing means it is about to throw error. Okay. If you face this kind of the connection has failed like that, this RPD I developed maybe using some other password, but here it is also some other password is available. For that, let us go and try to see what is the password available in the database level. SQL plus. I am trying to connect. BA sample user. BA sample @orcl. Password I am giving as BA sample. The password has expired. This is what the problem. What is the problem, sir? The password has expired. Now I am trying to reset the password as RR capital, I text small 123. RR capital, I text small 123. If you face this kind of problem, then the problem will be what, sir? With the RPD. Even if people are very familiar with this error, if you install your product of OBIEE 11G, after installation, before copying TNS file, this error we used to get. Yes or no, sir? We need to resolve this error by copying the TNS file, right? Right. So this is two ways we will get it. That one is initially installation is completed. If you are not copied the TNS file, you used to get this error. Second is whatever user you are using it, that user is not able to contact the database, then also you used to get this error. Now I am trying to provide here password as RR capital, I text small 123. Click on next. That is as usual. Click on next. Now we want to import three tables from BA sample schema. From BA sample schema. BA sample schema. Then samp underscore employee underscore d underscore vh. This is the one. This is the one. This is the one. These three things we need. Yes. Import it. Expand it and confirm it is available or not. Those are available. Click on finish. Now it is very clear. Now we want to understand data whatever available in each and every table. Let us go and see first samp underscore employee underscore d underscore vh. Click on view data. The connection has failed. Maybe we change over there, but we didn't change it here, right? RR capital, I take small 123. RR capital, I take small 123. Now I am trying to change. I am trying to see the data. See, this is employee normal table. We contains here employee name, employee key, next hire date, manager ID, next what, sir? Position key, and type of this one. If you see here, one-to-many relationship among values is available or not. I have a employee here. Employee key is equal to 1. One manager is user 19. And I have a employee here. Employee is nothing but 6. Manager is user 19. 19 is 19 name also available here or not? So James is a manager which contains child as child says this guy is the one Jean, other guy is what, sir? Fred. Other guy is Fred. That means James is a manager, I can assume. That manager contains here two childs are not, sir. If I verify data, you may have one more also, but as of now, two childs are available. You got my point? So among values, we have one to many relationship is available. It is regular our Scott employee table. What are the columns are available? Similar to that one, it has some columns, correct? Now, if you go and observe here, totally how many employees are available, sir? 27 employees are available. The biggest employee is here, 27th employee. Why? Because for 27th employee, there is no manager. Only for CEO, there is no manager. Only for CEO, there is no manager. Remaining all guys will be somehow they will be mapped with some high level post. Yes or no, sir? Right. So total 27 members are available. 27th guy is a biggest guy. That guy is a Michael. Michael is the owner of the business. Michael is the owner of the business or CEO of the business. Am I clear? Now, guys, are you able to hear me? Okay. Okay. Okay, good. Now, what I would like to say is here one value contains n number of childs are available that you are understanding. 27 employees are available in this one. And if you see your positions also available here. Totally, how many positions are there, sir? If you see 8 positions are there, right? In each position, you may have different types of employees. Different types of employees may be available. This is what the employee table is available. Let us close it. Now let us go and try to understand the position. Right click on this one, click on view data. We have 8 positions corresponding. What is the name of the position? Normally, generally we used to say, I am a team lead, we used to say. Team lead is a general word, not the designation of the employee. Yes or no, sir? If you go and see that TCS, they used to call it as senior system manager, right? Okay, if you go and see some CTS, they used to say some associate. If you go and see some Infosys, they used to say something else. Yes or no, sir? Team lead is a generic word. For that, in each and every company, they used to make as one corresponding designation. Similarly, here we have one position. Let us say position level is equal to level 1. That is what, sir? Vice president. Level 0 is president. Like that, different designations are available here. Am I clear? Right. Okay, we understand what is the position table contents. Let us go and understand very important table that is called as parent-child table. This is what the more concentrately you need to understand. This table is the one more concentrately you need to understand. Our grandfather or grandmother, we used to call it as ancestors. Correct or not, sir? Yes or no? So simply what I would like to say is our superiors, we can call it as ancestors. Correct or not, sir? So here ancestor key is nothing but I can say parent. Ancestor key is nothing but I can say parent. This is a parent column. And whatever member key is available, this one I can say as what, sir? Child. Between this parent and child, how much distance is available? How to calculate that one? Distance is nothing but the difference in the designations is, the difference in the positions is called as distance, sir. Suppose I am a team member, one more team member is available with me. That team member and between me and that team member, distance is what, sir? 0. Both are available in the same level. Suppose my team lead is available here and I am available, I am a team member, let us say. Distance is what, sir? 1. Okay, my team lead manager is available and I am available. The team lead manager is available and I am available. What is the distance, sir? 2. Right. We know already one manager is who, sir? 19, right? One manager is 19. Whenever I am trying to compare here 1 and 19, whenever I am trying to compare here 1 and 19, what is the distance is available, sir? 1, member is a 1 and parent is who, sir? 19. 1 and 19 difference is what, sir? 1 is available. You got my point? And 1 I am comparing with the 1. 1 if I am comparing with 1. 1 I am comparing with 1. What is the distance, sir? 0. And if you go and see your data one more time, click on view data. 19 manager is who, sir? 25. 25 manager is who, sir? 27. Can I say The levels are available in this fashion. One manager is 19. 19 manager is who sir? 25. 25 manager is who sir? 27. Now 1 and 19 between distance is what sir? 1. I can say like this. 1 and 1 distance is what sir? 0. 1 and 19 distance is 1. 1 and 25 distance is 2. 1 and 27 distance is 3. Like these values are populate or not, we'll go and we'll try to confirm it. I'm trying to confirm in parent-child table. Click on view data. Then 1 is available, 19 is available. Between distance is what sir? 1 is available. Right. Next. 1 is available, 25 is available, 2 is a distance. Next. 1 is available, next what sir? 27 is available, between distance is what sir? 3. So if people understand how this table is populated, yes or no sir? At least you need to understand what is the distance column. What is the distance column? Next, one more column is available, is leaf. Is a verb or not sir? Is a verb, right? That is a question actually. Is leaf, that guy is a leaf or not? If I take a team member, under that one no one is there to report to him, then that guy is called as leaf member only, correct or not? If I take team lead, under that guy some members are available to report to him, that guy is not a leaf, yes or no sir? So I would like to say if I take a member, we is a least member in that one. If I take 1 is a leaf or not sir? Yes, that is the reason 1 is populated, true. 19 is a leaf sir? No, that is the reason populated is what sir? 0. 25 also not leaf, that is the reason 0. If that guy is a lowest member, then his leaf is equal to 1. That guy is a somewhat highest position, under that guy some members are available to report to him. At that moment what sir it is? 0. At that moment it is 0. Any questions related to this table? Sorry. 27th line. Yeah, 1 only, right? This is 1 is leaf or 1 is a leaf or not? See from here. Right side to left side you need to see. Member you need to see, right? This value is populated not based on this 19. Based on this 1. 1 is a leaf or not? Okay, 19 is a leaf or not? Like this you need to see. From right side you need to see. Don't see from the left side. You got my point, right? Okay. Next, we understand this also. Next, this is what the data understanding is happened. Let us move on to the next step. The next step is we want to create the aliases. Without creating aliases also directly we can utilize it. But as a best practice, normally we used to go for the alias. Why? Because using same physical table, I may need to connect to the 2 or 3 fact tables. To get the more clarity, what we will do is we will create the 3 aliases and we will try to go for it. Let us say customer table is available. Customer table I want to join with the returns fact table. Customer table I want to join with the sales fact table. Customer table I want to join with the something else also. Instead of joining the same table for 3 fact tables, we will try to create what sir? Aliases, and we will try to do it. Am I clear? Right. So for this reason, I want to create alias on sample underscore employee underscore d underscore vh, and I would like to rename that as what sir? D50 sales rep. Let us go and try to do that one. Yes madam, please do it. Please do it. Yes, Sunita, are you there? Right click on samp underscore employee underscore d underscore vh. Right click, then new object, then alias. Then whatever name is available, just give the same name. Okay, that is done. Next one is what, sir? Parent child is available. New object, then alias. Then this name also will try to give from the document as per the document. Okay, that is what the available. Next one more thing is available, that is called as parent child also completed. Next is position. Position also right click, new object, then alias, and give name as B52 sales rep position. Okay, fine. We completed creating the aliases. Next step is we need to create what's a joins. We need to create it. Yes or no? We created employee D50 sales rep, parent child as this one. Next, position D as this one. Use a physical diagram to create the following physical joins for the alias tables. So this is what the joins what we need to create. Your diagram will be looks like this. Okay, now if you go and see what are the tables I am trying to select here is all the alias tables I am selecting here. This is what the alias tables all are available. I am selecting all alias tables going for the physical diagram. As of now, customer table is available, address table is available, revenue, next what, sir? Time, next product. Somehow now I want to link these three tables also to my revenue table. How I can link is this what the links I need to provide. So this is what our hierarchy is going on, right? From revenue to what, sir? Parent child one, then from there to sales table. Let us try to provide these all three giants. Please provide, madam. Just follow the diagram whatever I given below. As for the diagram, you can do one by one. Now how to provide a giant? Revenue to, is it sales rep? See the diagram and try to do it. See the diagram and try to do it. Notes also diagram is available, right? No? Okay. This revenue to where, sir? It is going parent child. Revenue to parent child it is going. So there is reason if you see here also parent child member key dot revenue dot what, sir? Employee key. This is what we are going to do it. Yes, please do it. Cancel. So revenue to parent child. Revenue to parent child. Okay. Click on it. Now what is the common column, sir? Member key means there is nothing but lowest level one that already we knows it. There employee key. Good. That is completed. Next is what, sir? We want to join. Next one is parent child to sales rep. Parent child to sales rep is nothing but, if you see here, parent child to sales rep, this is nothing but this one. Common column is what, sir? Employee key is equal to ANSI star key. Employee key is equal to ANSI star key. Let's go and try to do it. Parent child to sales rep. Parent child to sales rep. Employee key to ANSI star key. Okay. Next one is available, that is sales rep to next what, sir? Position. That is what the position and sales rep is available here. Position key to position key. Try to join that like that. Sales rep to position. Common column is click on that. Click on that. Click on it. Click on it. Yes. Then position key to position key. Position key to position key. Okay. So we completed all the things, just organize it so that we can come to understand auto layout. So this is what auto layout we did, from revenue to parent shell to sales rep to this position. Okay, we completed this all physical giants, whatever required. These are 3 giants we completed. Now we got perfect model. Now by this time we need to understand why I am not using my regular supplier to data for this concept purpose. If I use regular supplier to data, my main fact table is what's in supply to data? Orders table, right? In orders table, do I have the employee key column? No. If I want to modify, that means I need to do work. Some work is, in order to also I need to populate the employee foreign key. Then I need to create the employee primary key table also I need to create. Yes or no, sir? That much of work is there backend. So I didn't do that one. That is the reason I am going with this one. Am I clear? Okay. Next one. Creating logical tables. We completed the physical layer. Then we need to go for logical tables. Drag and drop D50 sales rep onto the business model sample sales. Right. Please do it, madam. Close it. Then whatever D50 sales rep is available, then that we are drag and dropping onto sample sales. Okay. Now by default D50 sales rep is appearing as what, sir? Fact table. Why? Because we don't have the logical join. That is the reason it is appearing as a fact table. Let us go and try to create the join for that. Go for the business model diagram. Right click on sample sales, business model. Yeah, like that also you can go. Whole diagram. Now try to connect revenue to D50 sales rep. Okay. Close the business model diagram. Okay, we completed, that is deleting as also now dimension table. Now we also want some extra information. Here I have employee name is available, employee key is available, these all things are there. Still, I want like this position, whatever available here, parent child, whatever available, these all things also I require, right? That is the reason I am trying to add those all things here. From physical layer, drag and drop, distance, easily position description, position level onto D50 sales rep. D50 sales rep. Yes, go and try to do it. D50 sales rep, here a small mistake. D50 sales rep onto D50 sales rep. Give it as LTS, you give it. D50 sales rep, LTS. D50 sales rep, LTS. So now what we need to do, sir? All we need to do is distance is available, easily is available. I can drag and drop distance and easily onto this. It is not allowing. What is the reason, sir? Parent child is not allowing here. What I can do? By parent child and this one, there is no direct join is available. If you go and see your diagram, parent child is here. Direct available, right? Then why it is not allowing? Sorry. Yeah, not available, sir. See, available. But I am trying to drag and drop from where to where, sir? Original table I am using. I created what, sir? Alias I created. Yes or no? I created alias. You need to use alias or you need to use original table. Alias only you need to use. Drag and drop from the alias. Distance and easily drag and drop this one. Now it should allow. You understand what is the mistake I did? I created alias and I given joins. I defined joins among aliases. But I am trying to drag and drop from where, sir? Original tables. That is the reason it is not allowed. Now if drag and drop from here, automatic distance and easily came. Then one more thing is available. That is what, sir? Sales rep position. From here, position description and position level. These things also I am trying to drag and drop here. Am I clear? Yes. Okay, that is completed. We dragged and dropped those all things. Next is what, sir? Create logical join between F1 revenue and D50 sales rep. Already it is completed. Yes or no? Next, Right click on D50 sales rep, create logical dimension, click on parent child hierarchy. This is what a very important one, sir. Till here, whatever we did, creating physical giants, importing it, and these all things we are already aware of it. Yes or no? Only this is what our main area of learning it. We are learning parent child hierarchy. So from this fourth step only parent child hierarchy is starting. Yes or no? Yes or no? Let us go and try to create it. Yes, madam. Right click. Yes. Parent child hierarchy. Now, whenever you click on the parent child hierarchy, it is asking what is your member key. Member key is nothing but if you go and browse, see the actual columns here. Click on view. What is your member key, sir? Employee key. Correct or not? Correct. Next, cancel. Cancel automatically is mapped. Next, parent column is what, sir? Browse. What is the parent column, sir? Manager ID. Yes or no, sir? Employee parent column is what, sir? Manager or not? Manager. Okay. Next, if I take some TCS company, I take in 2 employees, and I am asking what is the relationship between them. Can you tell it, sir, by seeing them? We cannot tell. We need to define the parent child mapping. What is employee ID? What is employee ID? What is the distance between them? If I given distance, then you come to understand how these 2 guys are related. Yes or no, sir? You understand? If I given distance clearly, then you come to understand, okay, this guy is a superior of this guy. So distance and easy leaf columns are very important. That is the reason parent child mapping also we need to define. Now I define member, I define parent, how these 2 guys are related. Immediate superior or immediate of superior or immediate of superior. That relationship is available in the parent child table. Go ahead. Click on parent child settings. Now we need to define here, read this one. In order to enable querying of all ancestors and descendants of given repository object, in addition to direct parent and children, a parent-child relationship table association is necessary with the relational logical table source of the hierarchy. The table is available with us. Yes or no, sir? If table is not available, then that script we want to generate, that script also can generate by using what, sir? Here I have an option, create parent-child relationship table. If I click on that one, what it is going to do is, whatever SQL is required, that SQL is going to generate it. That SQL ETL team can use in their mappings and they can populate the table. Okay. Now, if you have already, if you are available, directly can go and map it. In my case, already it is available. Yes or no? Click on that. Then we need to select our parent-child relationship table. Select parent-child relationship table. We need to select alias or we need to select original table, sir? Alias only. Nowhere we'll use the original table. We created the joins among alias only we'll use it. Good job. Select. No, we are not using physical table. Giants are not available in the physical giant, right? The physical layer, physical giants. Yes, correct. Physical tables, if directly if you want to use it, you can use it. You can create the physical giant among the physical tables means you can use physical tables. But we didn't do like that. Physical table on top of physical tables, you create the aliases. Aliases we are using it. Okay, if you don't want to create the aliases, directly you can create the giants among physical tables only. At that moment, you need to use the physical tables. In my regular supply to course we are doing, we didn't create any aliases. Directly we are using what, sir? Original tables only. Okay. Now below we got here 4 options. Member key is what? Parent key is what? Relationship distance is what? Leaf node identifier is what? Those all things we need to map properly. Please map it. Member key is nothing but what, sir? Member key in parent child table, whatever 4 columns are available, those columns are appearing. Parent key is nothing but what, sir? Ancestor key. Good job. Relationship distance is equal to distance. Select. Next, leaf node identifier is equal to is leaf. Click on OK. Half of the job is completed, sir. Click on OK. Now, if you go and see here, you mapped all the things accordingly. This is what you need to map. We map it. Click on OK. Again OK. Now, if you go and see in these levels, how many levels are available, sir? Only 2 levels are available. If I want to create one parent on top of detail, right click on detail, new object. Do I have the option to create the parent, sir? Whereas in level based hierarchy, we used to have or not? We used to have. That is the reason in level based hierarchy, limitless levels you can create. Limitless levels you can create. But most of the times your requirements will be fit between 2 to 10 it will be fitting. We won't have 50 hierarchy levels or 20 hierarchy levels like that. Most of the times maximum is 10 or 11 that like that will go. That too with the position hierarchy only problem. If you take the position hierarchy, positions only available 10 or 11. Product hierarchy, okay, and customer hierarchy, these all things will be fit for most of the times it will be 6 or 7, 4 or 5 like that. Only position will be available sometimes 10 or more also based on our company size. Am I clear, sir? For small organization means maybe 3 or 4 levels of the positions may be available. But big means what, sir? N number of positions may be there, right? That is only the biggest hierarchy what you can say. Remaining all will be small only, right? Now, in the detail we understand we cannot create the parent. Do I require these all columns, sir? I don't want any columns. Delete all the things except employee name and employee key. Except employee name and employee key, delete all the things. Okay. Now, I want to make employee key as a key column, employee name as a display column. Double click on detail level, and employee key by default using as a member key as well as display. I don't want for display. Then you add one more thing. Did you notice here regular level based hierarchies and parent child hierarchies, one more column is came right side. That is what, sir? Parent is came, right? That parent was not there in regular or level based hierarchy we are doing. Right? There is one difference you need to notice. Yes, please go ahead, madam. Create employee name and use this as a display purpose. Okay. Right. That is completed. Now, drag and drop D50 sales rep into presentation layer. D50 sales rep into presentation layer. Okay. With this, we completed entire our RPD work, sir. If you go and see, we are making here, this has what, sir? Only for the key column. This is for what, sir? Only for display column. Drag and drop D50 sales rep into presentation layer. Expand revenue fact table in BMM layer. Double click on LTS revenue. Go towards a content. This is one more thing we need to do, right? Yes, please do it, madam. Revenue. Expand sources. Double click on this revenue. Then we need to map here content level as detail. Why you are mapping like this, sir? In this revenue table, data is available at the level of what, sir? Employee level. If you go and see the table also, click on OK. Revenue table, if you go and see, revenue table, if you go and see, right click on view data. SRC order number is invalid identifier. SRC order number is invalid identifier. SRC order number. SRC order number. Okay. SRC order number is invalid identifier. Maybe in previous batch I created that one or what, something. Now if I right click on the revenue, click on view data, order key. Why it is not available? If you go and say SQL developer, you come to understand. Ideally it should be there, right? Order key is there. Okay, 2 columns are not available for some reason. Okay. Now if you see here, this amount whatever available 66, cost fixed, cost variable, something is there, right? This is available at the level of what, sir? At the level of employee key level. This employee key is belongs to what is the hierarchy level, sir, here? Employee key is belongs to what is the hierarchy level? Detail. That is the reason what is the level you are mapping here? Detail level. Am I clear? If you want to check it, go for the more, check levels, everything should be proper. Okay, click on close, click on OK. Now click on save it. Yes. Now we did in the offline mode, right? Just try to close this one. Try to close this one and try to load into the server. Close it. Okay. Load that RPD into the server. Go to the enterprise manager. This is for the enterprise manager. WebLogic user. Login. Testing is very important, sir. Why you did these all things is to roll up the data for the high level people. Okay, I should get here the parent child as usual. That means first guy is who, sir? 27th guy, right? Michael. Under Michael, who should get, sir? 19, those all guys. James. James is a 19 employee. Under that one, who should get, sir? Sir, not 19. 25, right? 25 guys should get. Under 25, who should get, sir? 19, like that you should get. Click on that core application. Then right side window will be refreshing. Once it is refreshed, we need to go for the deployment tab. Go to the deployment tab, then repository. Then lock on it configuration. Close. Browse and point our new RPD, whatever you created. B183 underscore NF, right? B183 underscore NF. Just move. Lot of RPDs are there. Move. Keep on move. B183. It is B183 in that NF. Yes. Open. RR capital, I take small, 1, 2, 3. Why it is saying as no file selected? We selected, right? What we given? She update again? No, need not update. Click on apply. Click on apply. Click on activate changes. Then go to the availability tab. Restart Oracle B server. Right. Can you do this concept in online modes or parent hierarchy? Before doing this chapter itself, I can load the base RPD and I can do in online mode or not, sir? Yes, you can do it. But exclusively why I asked the people to do in offline, notes also I given offline is, small bug is there actually. It is fixed in 11.1.1.7. Okay. What is the bug is, even though I create parent-child hierarchy in online mode, if I try to click on check-in, it is not reflecting over there. It is not reflecting over there. That is what the bug is available. That is the reason we are asking it to do in offline mode and load the RPD. You got my point, right? But it is fixed in 11.1.1.7, right? Even 11.1.1.6 also sometimes it is to reflect automatically, sometimes it is not reflecting it. Okay, that is the reason it is a bug. Right. Once it is saved, what is the next step you are doing, sir? Load RPD into Oracle based server. Develop a report using hierarchy object D50 sales rep dimension. Okay. Next, position description and revenue. Observe output. Or we'll go with the only two things: D50 sales rep dimension and revenue. These are the two things. Let us go for it. It is still starting. Now, new, next, analysis, sample sales. Go for D50 sales rep. Take hierarchy object directly. Go to the revenue. Click on results. So Michael is the biggest employee, right? If you want, you can parallel, you can analyze the data also. If you go for all programs, Oracle Business Intelligence, BA administration. I would like to open RPD in online mode. RR capital, I text small, 1, 2, 3. RR capital, I text small, 1, 2, 3. Then, if you go and see, I have here a table. The table is called as sales rep employee table. Where is that? Sales. Right click on view data. Then, if you see carefully, 27th employee is the biggest guy. Under 27th employee is acting as a manager for these three records. Yes or no? 23, 24, 25. That is Monica. This guy and this guy, right? 17 record also. Okay, Paul. That means totally 4 records he is acting as a manager. Yes or no, sir? 4th also there, 5 members are there. Okay, these all 5 members should get here if I expand here. Expand it. Then we got here 5 members, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got it, sir? Yes. Now, if you go for one thing that is called as 19th record, for 19, not 25th record is who, sir? Monica. I am expanding Monica. Then we should get what, sir, here? 19th record corresponding name. Why? Because 25 is a manager for 19. So James we should get. James we got or not here? If I expand James, we should get what, sir? James is a manager for Fred and someone else. So we should get here Fred or not, sir? We are getting Fred. So we are able to navigate among employees or not? Yes? Okay. So this is what the parent-child hierarchy. Now excellently they provided right-click parent-child hierarchy option they provided in 11G. If this is not available, it is not available in 10G, right? How we can achieve this kind of functionality? How we can achieve this kind of functionality? Okay. What is the solution is, normalized table whatever available, try to denormalize it. This table is normalized table or not, sir, now? Whatever you are seeing this one, it is a normalized table or not? This normalized table, try to denormalize it. What way you are going to denormalize is in this fashion. Here totally how many levels are available, sir? 4 levels are available, right? 4 levels are available, right? We'll try to create here columns like that. We are going to create it. We are going to mold the data like this. Level 1 key 27, 27. Level 1, what is the name of that guy? Level 2 key is what? And level 2 name is what? Level 3 key is what? Level 3 name is what? Level 4 key is what? Level 4 name is what? 4 levels are trying to maintain like that. Like this we are trying to denormalize the table. Is it possible or not, sir? You got it what I am trying to say? Whatever table is available, this is totally ETL job. ETL team will be converting the table, normalized table into denormalized portion like this one, like this they will convert and they will give to you. If this table is available with you, can you follow the level based hierarchy, sir? This is the one level, this is the one level, this is the one level, this is the one level. 4 levels are available. You can create the regular level based hierarchy and you can navigate. Yes or no? That's how we used to do it. That's how we used to do it. Am I clear? This point also covered in the notes. Note 1. Covered, right? So in case of 10G, this is important question, sir. In case of OBIEE 10G, how we used to do this one? Simple one word is we used to denormalize the table whatever available. How we used to denormalize is first I will try to identify in current table how many different levels are available. I have 4 levels of employees are available. Then I will create what, sir? 4 into 2. One is for identifying the key, one is for the name. 4 into 2, 8 columns will be there. On top of it, we want one surrogate key we want. That is the reason first key column is available. First key column is what, sir? Surrogate key to identify uniquely entire record. That is nothing but row width. That is nothing but row width. Am I clear? That's how we need to answer how we used to handle OBIEE 10G. Am I clear this point? Okay. Any questions, sir? I done with the parent-child hierarchy. Any questions? Any questions? No. Let us move on to the next one. Parent-child hierarchy occurs in case of companies also. Answer is yes. In each and every organization, mandatory table is employee table, sir. Without employee table, there is no data, right? So as long as employee table is available, we'll go for this parent-child hierarchy. Okay, even in 10G also we have this requirement, but we don't have the option of parent-child. That is the reason we used to denormalize the table. Okay. See, we are asking in OBIEE EBS system, procurement, SEM, these all things are asking, right? This employee dimension is common among those all applications, correct? Employee dimension values are common those all among those all things. So we should not ask that question. That is some application, let us say SEM is available, or procurement is available, or finance is available. From there some employees may be coming from here, some employees may be coming from here, some employees may be coming. Those all things we try to store in a single employee table, correct? That employee table we use as a source. Okay, right. Okay. No, in case of company names it is saying. What is the meaning of company names, sir? Tony, what is the meaning of company names? If you want, I can unmute it. You can explain what is the meaning. I unmuted. Holding company and child. Company. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead, sir.
No, what I'm trying to say is this is same applicable in case of companies where one company is holding multiple other companies, each is holding another companies. The same thing is applicable, right? We can do it in the same way.
As long as you are storing in a single column, parent value and child value you are trying to store, it is applicable. What he's saying is,
okay.
Let us say, yeah, branches you can say. Okay, one company is available, let us say Pfizer is of one company. Internally in the Pfizer, we have the P Pfizer. That is what, sir? One more brand they made and they are trying to publish it, and they, under that one some brand of the products are available. Okay, Pfizer is the biggest one. Under that one, P Pfizer is available. Under P Pfizer, you may have something else also. Am I clear? As long as only one thing you need to remember, sir. In a single column, if I am storing some values, these values has one-to-many relationship, I can go for it. Most of the times in employee dimension, it splits for it. If you are storing company values also like that, you can go further. Normally, company is how we used to store is, we won't store in a single column. We'll try to store what's the different columns when we store it. What is the main company and what is the branch company, like that we used to store it. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Now let us go for the next one, that is called as unbalanced hierarchy or ragged and skipped hierarchy. This unbalanced hierarchy is also called as ragged and skipped hierarchy, sir. Okay, but famous word is ragged and skipped is the famous than unbalanced. Famous word is what, sir? Ragged and skipped is the famous than unbalanced. Why it is famous is in the tool names are available like that. If you go and see the dimension hierarchy, what is the name, sir? Ragged and skipped is available. That is the reason these two names are famous. But as a theoretically, we used to call it as what, sir? Unbalanced. So unbalanced hierarchy are two types. One is ragged unbalanced. Second is what, sir? Skipped unbalanced. Skipped unbalanced. If you observe diagram closely, how many levels are available in this diagram, sir? This is the one level. This is the second level. This is the third level. This is the fourth level. 4 level of hierarchy is available. But most of the times we see, sometimes manager will be there, another one team lead should be there, another one team member should be there. Okay, these are the 3 levels of hierarchy. We'll take it. In some projects, manager will be there, but there is no team lead. Directly what, sir? Team member is available. Possible or not? Possible. That is called as skipped hierarchy. That is called as skipped hierarchy. Suppose in between some levels are missed out. Then it is called as skipped hierarchy. Suppose in my diagram, if I see D level is available, then next what, sir? H level is available. Between what is missing? Third level is missing, right? This is called as skipped hierarchy. Sometimes what will happen is, especially if you go to the on-site, even though you are a manager, seriously will sit and will write the codes. No one will be available under you, team leads or team members, nothing. No one will be available. You are the developer, you are the manager, you are the everyone. One man army kind of thing. So if that is the case, this is the fit for here, right? Even though this guy is team lead, under this guy what, sir? No team members are available. If an hierarchy is not came till end, then it is called as what, sir? Ragged hierarchy. It may be stopped in the second level also, it is called as what, sir? Ragged only. Okay, hierarchy is not came till end, it is called as ragged hierarchy. In between some levels are missed, that is called as what, sir? Skipped hierarchy. To explain in interview better, I given here some kind of terminology. See this one. Level-based hierarchies may have skip levels or ragged hierarchy. So this unbalanced hierarchy is a sub-concept of what, sir? Level-based hierarchy. Whatever level-based hierarchy regularly are creating, in that one some values are missing, that is called as skip. If it is not came till end, it is called as ragged. Skip level are when members may not have an immediate parent. This is a skip level, right? This has no immediate parent, correct? Immediate parent is not available here, hence it is called as skipped hierarchy. Next, ragged hierarchies are when leaf members are not all at the same level. Ideal case, leaf level is what, sir? 4th level. All should be available at the same level. But it is available like that? No. That is the reason it is called as ragged hierarchy. It is a new feature in OBIEE 11G. Any questions in this diagram? Once observe it. Any questions? Right. Any questions? No, right? Let us go and try to understand this navigation. See here, unbalanced table, how it looks like is, skip levels and ragged hierarchies are represented in the underlying table through what, sir? Nulls. See here, whenever some value is not available, by default what will be there, sir? Null will be there. Null is going to populate over there. If you see here, some nulls are available here, some nulls are available here. Okay. Now, if whenever some null is available, what is the problem you are going to face? we are going to get the errors in the report. First we will see, without implementing this unbalanced hierarchy, we will try to see the result. What is the problem we come to understand? Then we will try to implement this unbalanced hierarchy. Then we will try to see the result. Then we come to understand what is the advantage of this one. Am I clear? Right. To see this one, I given here one exercise. Let us go and follow a document. Process. Open above RPD in offline mode. Yes, you can open even online mode also. It is going to work fine, sir. I given here offline mode, right? You can work in the online mode, so that I can eliminate the process of loading the RPD into the server. Import one table. The table is called as samp underscore products underscore dr table. This is what the table we are importing. Create an alias on that one with the name of our sir, products underscore dr. Yes, Sunita? Sunita or someone? Okay. Please go ahead and try to import the table. Samp products dr. It is available there. Down one, bottom one, yeah. Finish. Distance between the distance. 1 second. Let me open the diagram. Distance between what? A to H. What is the distance, right? As for the values here, we can say as 3, but as we need to consider the skipper also, so officially it is 4, sir. Sorry, yeah. One more. Okay. A to H, right? How many levels are there here? H has to sit in the chair of A. Then he has to go for one time promotion here. Okay. Next time promotion here, next time promotion here. So 3 times he has to promote, right? So it is a 3 times 3 is the distance. Three is the distance, sir. Okay, right. Okay. Now let us try to understand this table. Right. If you observe this table carefully, I have a column. The column is what, sir? Brand column is available. Brand column is available. So that is the first column. Brand is the first level. In brand, child is what, sir? Sorry, guys. Sorry. Brand next level is what, sir? LOB. LOB next level is what? Right. I think tomorrow you'll get holiday, sir. Okay. Right. brand is the biggest level here. After this brand, next level is what, sir? LOB, that is what the next level. One LOB contains here n number of types are available. One type contains n number of what, sir? Descriptions are available. See here, C type 1, product 3. C type 1, what, sir? Product 1. Next, each and every record is uniquely identifying by a column that is called as product key. By a column that is called as product key. Okay. Now, what I want to create here is, I want to say, I have brand is a level. Next is what, sir? LOB. Next level is type level. Next level is prod description. Product key column, whatever available, if you want to take one more level means you can take it, or else the same level I want to use that as a key column. Can I use that one? This one I want to use as a key column. This one I want to use as a display purpose. Okay. Normally it should be like that only, right? It should be like that only. Normally we used to use a product description, product key the same level. Clear, sir? Right. Now, this is what the 4 level hierarchy is available: brand, LOB, type, and in this level, product level, list level. In that one, 2 columns are there: product description as display purpose, key as primary key purpose. We'll go and try to create this one. Before creating it, try to identify, here I have some null is available, right? Brand is there. For the corresponding, there is no LOB, but the corresponding, what is there, sir? Type is there. Can I take this as an example for skipped? Skipped. And if you see here A brand 4 here, I have here A brand 4 is there, but there is no what, sir? LOB, there is no what, sir? Product description, there is no what, sir? Type. Can I take this as an example for ragged? Right. And if you take one more thing, let us say this record, I have here brand is there, next LOB is there, there is no type, there is no what, sir? Product description. Can I say this also ragged? Now, if you take here this record is what, sir? Brand is there, there is no LOB, there is no type, but I have what, sir? Product description. Can I take this as what, sir? Skipped hierarchy. In between 2 levels are missing. So in this table, I have data in 2 ways. Skipped hierarchy way I have. Next is what, sir? Ragged hierarchy way I have. Skipped hierarchy way I have. Second is ragged hierarchy way I have. Okay. This table I want to use as a normal level based hierarchy first. Then I will show you what is the problem you are going to face. Then we will try to implement the what's that? Ragged and skipped hierarchies. Just try to connect this one with the existing revenue table. First create the alias on that one. Create alias on that one with the name of products underscore dr. Right click, new object, alias, give the name of products underscore dr. Okay. Now this products underscore dr and revenue both select it and try to create the join. Products dr and revenue both select it. Revenue select it and try to create the join. This is what the products dr is available. Now join is new join between revenue and products. Common column is prod key versus prod key. Click on OK. Close it. That is done. Drag and drop the table alias table onto business model. Drag and drop the dimension table onto business model. Yes, madam, please do it. Drag and drop that onto business model. Properly drag and drop. Okay. Now this product service code DR table is we are using for example for what, sir? To understand the ragged and skipped hierarchy, right? So I want to give in the brackets of that logical table name ragged and skipped. In the product service code DR name, I want to rename. At the end, I want to put right click and rename. At the end, I want to put yeah, ragged and skipped. Ragged and skipped. Yeah, correct. So this table we are using to understand what's a drag and skip, how it is behaving. We are trying to understand it. Now create normal level based hierarchy on top of it. Why? Because drag and skip hierarchy is a part of our level based hierarchy. In regular level based hierarchy, if I have some skip levels, if I have some ragged things, then it is called as unbalanced hierarchy or ragged and skip hierarchy. Okay. We created successfully. As for our requirement, we have 4 levels are available, right? Try to create those 4 levels. I given requirement clearly. That is the reason bottom one, whatever available, rename that as a product level. On top of it, create what's that? Type level, right? Type level. On top of it, what's that? LOB, line of business. On top of it, what's that? Brand level, right? Brand level. Good. Now we'll try to map corresponding columns to the corresponding levels. So whatever in the lowest level available, those things I want to map to the correspondingly brand onto the brand level. LOB stands for what, sir? Line of business. This LOB is a generic code. In each and every project it will be available. Line of business. Then in the product level, whatever available, all the deleted except product description and product key. Yes. Now try to make the key columns cancel. First go to the brand level, right click on the brand. Okay, we want to do from bottom, do it, no issues, do it. Go to the keys tab. Product key is available as primary key purpose as well as display purpose, but I want to use only for primary key. Product description, that as product description column. And you want to use that as a display purpose. Okay. Next, type level. You can use shortcut, right click, and you can do what's a new logical level key. You can do it. There is shortcut. Okay, do it anyhow. We came with this window. Do it. Now similarly do LOB, right click, new logical level key. Okay. Now brand, new logical level key. Okay. Now we created the hierarchy successfully and drag and drop this dimension table into presentation layer. After creating hierarchy, if you drag and drop any dimension table, automatically what will happen, sir? Hierarchy also is coming to the picture. That's what in previous case we observed, right? Okay. Dimension table, drag and drop. Select the dimension table. No, not hierarchy. Dimension table means this is the dimension table, right? Drag and drop that one. Yes. If you drag and drop dimension table after creation of the hierarchy, then automatically what will happen, sir? Hierarchy also will be coming into the picture. You need not worry about it. Okay. Now try to check in. Check in. As of now, this is a regular level based hierarchy or not, sir? We didn't handle any drag and skip functionality. It is a regular level based hierarchy only. Now we'll try to observe what is the problem we are facing with this one. Close this. Close this. Go to the reporting end. Mozilla browser. Then new. Analysis. Sample sales. I want to go for the hierarchy, whatever you create, the hierarchy object taken to the live page. Live page, simple sample sales. Live page. Then drag and drop the hierarchy object, whatever you created, which is available in the drag and skip. Please drag and drop. Drag and drop the hierarchy object. And drag and drop revenue. Drag and drop revenue. Now, click on results. Okay, we got a file logs, right? Expand this one. Oh, this error is not because of drag and skip, sir. In the brand level, I don't have any null values. Yes or no, sir? Now tell me why we got this error. Expand the error message and try to guess it, or how to try to fix it. Try to fix this error, sir. This is very common error. Yes, correct. What is that? That is the word I want. Content logical level we didn't set after creating the hierarchy. Content logical level is what, sir? It is a mandatory step, but we didn't do that. That is the reason we are facing this error. Let us go back and try to do that. Go to the RPD. Content logical level for the fact table LTS you need to do. Go to the fact table LTS. Fact table LTS. Fact table LTS. Then what is missing, sir? Content logical level is missing. We want to give the product level because this fact table is connected with the product key only. Product key is available what, sir? At the level of product level. Now check in. Click on S. Now if you go to the front end and if you click on the refresh button, close, go to the front end. In the report top, we have the refresh option is available, right? Report level refresh. Report level refresh. If you click on that, then you should get data. We got that error, sir. This is because of content logical level, not because of the drag and skip. Why? Because if you see in the brand column, I don't have any skip levels over there. Yes or no, sir? All are populated with the proper values. A brand 1, A brand 2, A brand 3, like that is populated. Yes or no? Right. Now let me understand the data. Data understanding is very important. If you go for products DR, view data, any skip or any values are missing here, sir? No. Now next is LOB. In LOB, in case of A brand 2, what is available, sir, here? Null is available. If I expand this one, what is going to happen? Let us see it. What is happening, sir? This was the error what we got, right? This error is because of what, sir? This error is because of under this null, we have actually some values are available. If you see here, after null, we have what, sir? C type 3 is available, product 8 is available. My aim is I want to see at the level of C type 3, what is the revenue? But am I able to go for that one? No. Why? Because I have what, sir, here? Null. From null, how to navigate it, don't know. Actually, null cannot be comparable. Yes or no, sir? Null cannot be comparable. Null cannot be drillable. That is the reason In our SQL also, if I write written on query, select unread into null. What is the result, sir? Null only. Null cannot be multiplicable, null cannot be divisible, null cannot be drillable also. That is the reason this problem we got. Okay, this is example for skipped or ragged, sir, this record. This is example for skipped. Let us see the one thing for the ragged. If you see somewhere A brand 2, yeah, see here, I have here A brand 4 is available, right? Expand it. Then what is available, sir? Only plus is available. If I click on this plus, then we get what, sir? Null. In fact, I have here, if you see here, null is available, all are. Yes or no, sir? This is example for what, sir? This record is ragged. This problem is because of the ragged. How to avoid these two errors? How to avoid these two errors? How we can avoid these two errors is by going on back end and try to map the ragged and skipped. Yes, let us go to the RPD. Go to the RPD, close it. Then double click on whatever ragged and skipped is available. Double click on it. Select ragged and skipped option. Then click on OK. This is only one activity we need to do, sir. Simply we need to select what, sir? Ragged and skipped. We are intimating to the OBIEE server. In my data, I may have some values are missing. In my data, some levels may not be ending with the till end. In between only it is stopped. In between only it is stopped. Okay. Check in. Yes. Now if you go to the front end, if you do the same report development, develop from scratch, reload it first, reload and also develop from scratch. Take our hierarchy object and revenue column. Those two records only, whatever you observed previously, we will try to observe it. A brand 2 and A brand 4 only we will try to observe. Now A brand 2, if you expand, see here, what is happening is, I don't have LOB at that moment, right? Whenever I don't have LOB, then immediately it is going to what, sir? It is going at that skipping that level and is going to the next level. See here, A brand 2, null is available, but what is available, sir? C type 3 is available. Null is available, but what is available, sir? C type 4. That is the reason it is going directly what, sir? C type 3, C type 4. Whenever it is null is available, skipping that one, it is moving on, jumping into the next level available. Next level available. That's how it is working. Previously, it is what, sir? It is showing the null. If client is clicking on the null, it is making problem. At any cost, previously I cannot see the C type 3 level, what is the revenue, right? Now, because of this ragged and skipped only, I am able to understand C type 3, what is the revenue, correct or not? Right. Now, if you go for the app A brand 4, then what, sir? Here I don't have any value actually, all are null only. Still, even though null is available, it is not throwing error. It is intimating clearly this was the least level. There is no other levels are available under this one. Under A brand 4, I don't have any childs are available. That is, it is not throwing errors, smartly it is giving the answer. Am I clear? This is how the ragged is going to function. Now my question is, if people understand skip and ragged, how it is behaving, right? How we were used to handle in case of OBIEE 10G. This is the available, right? How we were used to handle in case of OBIEE 10G. This requirement is there also. Yes or no, sir? It is normal data only, right? There is a chance, like always, you may have some kind of skipped things. You may have country, state may be available. In that state, it is a small state, there may not be districts. Like that states are available in our India or not, sir? Without districts, some states are available. What is that? One of those? Delhi, okay. Whatever United things are available, those all things you can consider, right? Yes or no? Down the line, maybe Hyderabad. Okay. Okay. Let us go for it. Now, what I would like to say is in regular data also, we have chance like there is a skipped things are there is a ragged things also there. How we were used to handle in case of OBIEE 10G. In OBIEE 10G, if I double click on the hierarchy, we don't see those options ragged and skipped. How we are used to handle is like this. Whatever missing value is available here it is missing the value, right? Here also we used to populate a brand to here. Whenever one child value is missed, whatever parent is available, the parent value is to populate over there. In such a way, we will make sure in the table there is no null value. You understand my point? Whenever some child is missed, we will try to populate the child value with what's our parent value. That's how even we work also. Suppose I am a team lead, sir. Below me team member is not there. Then team member whatever work is doing, that work also I only do or not, sir? Yes or no? Similar logic we are trying to implement here also. Whenever some child is missed, the parent has to take the responsibility. That is the reason parent value we used to populate in the child. But here one small problem will come. What is the problem is whenever I populate a brand to in case of LOB column also, in LOB column also I am populating what's a brand to value. Whenever client expand a brand to at the brand level, in the LOB level also what you will see, sir? A brand to only you will see it. Now we need to educate the customer by saying, boss, whenever you are seeing the parent value and child value, both values are same. Both values are same. At that moment, you need to understand like there is no child is available. We populated parent value only in the child place also. Like that, we need to educate the customer. Am I clear, sir? So this ragged and skipped hierarchies in case of OBIEE 10G we used to handle by populating parent value in the child location. By populating parent value in the child location. Okay, and we also used to educate the customer whenever you are drilling down, if the parent value and child value both are same, you need to assume like child value is what, sir? Not available over there. Like that we need to educate it. These are the 2 points what you need to remember. If you go and see notes, that point also I given. Note. In 10G, all missing level values will be populated with what's a parent values. And if you want to write one more point over there, and also we need to educate the customer whenever parent value and child value is same, that means what, sir? Child value is not available over there. Like that we need to indicate it. And that one second point is educate customer. Educate customer in the double quotes in between double quotes side, sir. Educate customer double quotes. Whenever parent and child values are same, that means child level is skipped over there. That means child level is not available. That means child level is not available. Close the double quote. Sir. Close the double quote. Done? Okay. Okay, this was the unbalanced hierarchy. Okay, sir. Actually, I thought of finishing in this weekend, but I cannot do that. Okay. Next weekend I am postponing, sir. Tomorrow also holiday, take your own day. And next week, Saturday and Sunday, we are going to continue with the advanced concepts as well as live project. These two things we are going to